Hello, good afternoon. My name is Aarti Janardhan Parkare. Today I am going to tell about the subject Anatomy and Physiology, and the topic name is cells. The anatomy and physiology starting from the cell level involve understanding the structure, that is anatomy, and the function, that is physiology of cells, tissue, and organs and systems, all of which are built from these fundamental units of lives. The cells, it is the structure. Cells are the basic units of life, containing a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. That is in eukaryotic cells. And the cell function is, the cells perform essential functions like energy productions, metabolism, growth, and the product and the reproductions. The types of cell is, there are various cell types, each specialized for specific functions such as muscle cells, nervous cells, and epithelial cells. In that case, the tissues are the part of the cell, that is its definition. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform of a specific function. The types of tissues, common tissues types include epithelial, connective, muscles, and nervous tissues. The function of tissues provide structure, support, and enable various body. The next point is organs. Organs are structures composed of different tissues working together to perform a specific function. And the example of organs is include the heart, lungs, brain, and stomach. The function of organs is, the organs carried out complex physiological processes. The next point is the systems. Systems are groups of organs that work together to perform a major body function. Example of system is include the cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, and nervous systems. The function of system, the system coordinate the activities of multiple organs to maintain homeostatic and overall body function. The next point is the level of organization. The human body is organized from the simplicity level, that is cells, to the most complex level, that is organ systems. In a chemical level, the atoms and molecules make up the body. Cellular level, in cell, the cells are the basis units of the life. Tissues level, tissues are a group of the cells of similar specialization. Organs level, an organ is the unit made up of several tissues types. And the body system level is, body systems are groups of organs that work together and to perform the major body functions. The cellular processes, the cell cycle. First point is the cell cycle. Cells undergo a series of events, that is cell cycle, for growth, replication, and division. Cell communication is the cell communication with each other through various signaling pathways which are essential for growth, development, and tissue function. And cell transport is the substances across their membranes through various mechanisms such as a diffusion and active transport. The anatomy and physiology in relation to health is that the understanding the anatomy and physiology of cells, tissues, organs, and system is crucial for understanding health diseases and the body's response to various stimuli. Similarly, once you enter a cell, you will see the cytosol and organelles. The cytoplasm, that is the, it consists of all the contents and space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. The cytosol is the jelly-like substances with the cell and provides the fluid medium necessary for biochemical reactions. that is the short information about cell. And the cell is the smallest living thing in the human organism, and the living structure in the human body are made up of cells. There are 100 of different types of cells in the human body, which vary shape and size, uh, up to the huge eggs produced in the female reproductive organs and function. In that case, the cells are have a three main types. The first one is the plasma membrane, second one the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. And the plasma membrane is the thin flexible fibers barrier that separates the inside of the cell from the environment outside, and the cell regulates what can pass in and out of the cell. It is the plasma membrane. The cytoplasm is the most function of the cell are carried out. It looks like a by a bit like mixed fruity jelly, and where the watery jelly is called as a cytosol, and the different fruits are it's called as a organelles. It is the cytoplasm. This is this short information about the cells. Thank you.